The students learn basic machining technologies. They also learn how to weld. There's drilling and tapping.
I chose this program so I could get to learn more about like programming and operating machines.
And then as they go through those basic skills on lathes and mills, eventually they work up to CNC programming, which this machine is. This is our newest machine. It's a mini mill. And those CNC technology is what the industry is all about nowadays. The old standard lathes and mills are pretty much gone. Everything is automated. I teach the G-code language that these students need. And G-code language is the language of robots, not just for machining. Water jet cutters, CNC routers, they all use the same language. And so the students learn that language here.
I've always had an interest in making things, and I came in here to tour one day, I think, and I saw like the stuff they were making.
Our last project was a 16-wheel lawn tractor. It has 8 driving wheels and 8 turning wheels. We've had 2 different projects of 100 horsepower motorcycle engines on lawn tractors. We did a death ray one year. Done lots of really different, varied projects. Now, these jobs in the field are wide and varied. Most students will not be programmers. They will operate a machine, and usually the owner has software that writes the G-code program to cut the parts and pieces. But they still have to have a working knowledge of how these things work. I've had a number of success stories with students going on. One of them, he wanted to be a repair person on these machines, and he's actually apprenticing with a local person, and he actually has been in here to fix some of our machines. So not all students are going to go into the machining industry. A lot of them will. I personally love machining. I love the ability to take a piece of metal and cut it, drill it, tap it, and make it into something. And it's really dependent on the interest of the students. When they come in, I like to ask them, what's your passion? What do you like to do? What would you like to build? What would you like to make? And most students say, I've always wanted to do this, or I've always wanted to make that. And this is a great opportunity for them to do that.